Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India is benefiting from the enthusiasm and skills of the youth of Himachal Pradesh. He added that it was the BJP's priority to further encourage them. President Draupadi Murmu conferred the National Service Scheme NSS Awards for the year 2020-21 today at Rashtrapati Bhavan. A total of 42 awards were given today. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today expressed confidence that India will become the third largest economy in the world by the end of this decade. An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 on the Richter scale occurred in Campbell Bay in Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the wee hours today. In cricket, India defeated Australia by 6 wickets in the second T20 International at the Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium in Nagpur last night.